Have you ever wondered if you can make your own pancake syrup at home? Well, you can with this quick and easy recipe I have for you today. Hi, I'm Shelly from Frugal Family Home, where I create quick tutorials to help build your cooking and baking confidence. And today I want to show you how simple and easy it is to make your own homemade pancake syrup. Let's get started. I'll show you how easy it is to make. First, start with our ingredients. We have a cup of sugar. We have a half a teaspoon of maple flavoring. We have 1 tablespoon of molasses and a half a cup of water. We're going to move our flavoring aside because we're not going to need it until we're done cooking. To our pot, we're going to add our half cup of water. And to the water, we're going to add our tablespoon of molasses. Finally, we're going to add our 1 cup of sugar. Then we're going to put our burner on high and just stir until the sugar is dissolved. I like to use a whisk because it breaks up any clumps in the sugar. That also helps to get that molasses off the bottom of the pot. Stirred until the sugar is all dissolved, and we're just going to remove our whisk. And what we need to do is we just have to wait till this comes to a full rolling boil. And you don't have to stir, you just wait till it comes up to a full boil. We're almost there. And here we are at a full rolling boil. It's just bubbling constantly without stopping. And even if I stirred it, I couldn't get it to stop. It's very steamy though. I know it's kind of hard to see, but you just want it going till it's just boiling. And then we're going to turn off the burner. Now I've turned off the burner. We're going to leave it on the burner until the bubbling stops. And this is important. This is when your syrup, your homemade pancake syrup, will thicken. So don't skip this step and take it off the burner. Let it sit until it's done bubbling. And now our bubbles have almost subsided. There's just a few. We're still going to wait just a few more minutes. We're almost there. And again, it's really important so that way you have a nice thick syrup to let this stay on the warm burner, even though it's turned off, until the bubbling ceases. And now the bubbling has stopped in the pan. It's still quite warm. We're going to add our maple flavoring. And this is just about a half a teaspoon. Doesn't take much. And then we're just going to stir that in. And our syrup is ready. Now that our syrup is done, we're just going to pour it into our container for serving. And I'm using like a gravy boat here, but if you have a syrup container, that's great. Usually when we're storing it in the refrigerator, we just stored it in an old pancake syrup bottle from the store. There you have homemade maple pancake syrup from scratch. Simple and easy, only 4 ingredients. That's it. That's how easy it is to make pancake syrup at home. An easy, simple, homemade recipe that you're going to love. And if you'd like the full printable recipe, look for the link in the description. And if you don't subscribe to our channel yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and be sure to click the bell so you'll be notified when we have new videos. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.